This tiny fish is as loud as a plane taking off. Danionella cerebrum, a minuscule freshwater fish discovered in Myanmar, is indeed capable of producing extremely loud sounds relative to its size. A study published in PNAS Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in 2023. The study confirms that this fingernail-sized fish can emit sounds exceeding 140 decibels, which is comparable to a gunshot or a jet engine, and definitely louder than the sounds produced by elephants, which usually reach around 117 decibels at close range.